related rates. So, kapag yung topic natin sa calculus is related rates, meron tayong kino-compare. So, pag sinabi natin na rates, i-define muna natin yung rate. Rate is, pwede siyang increasing value, or pwede din naman siyang decreasing value. Okay, so, yung increasing and decreasing na yan, dapat meron tong relation. Okay, halimbawa, yung question, merong balloon. Okay? Bawa ito, balloon to. Yan. So, habang lumalaki yung balloon, habang nag-e-expand yan. Okay, expansion of balloon. Yung kanyang volume is lumalaki. Diba? And yung kanyang diameter is also lumalaki. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi ko na rate. So, ito na yun. Itong dalawa na to, meron siyang relation. Tapos, meron siya parehong rates. So, ngayon, habang lumalaki yung volume ng balon, lumalaki naman yung diameter. So, ang given dyan, lagi, yung isa. Tapos, yung isa naman yung hahanapin natin. So, magbibigay ako ng example in this lesson kung paano natin siya isosolve by differentiation. So, ayan, napaka-importante ng application ng analytic geometry natin, yung mga formula by the volume, yung mga area, para malaman natin kung paano natin isosolve or magkakaroon tayo ng working equation. A circle is expanding such that its radius is increasing by 1 cm per second. At what rate is its area increasing when the radius is 10 cm? So, yun na, ilagay natin yung formula ng circle. So, ang formula ng circle, pag naghanap tayo ng area is equals to A is equals to pi r squared. So, by this formula, gawa tayo ng differentiation. So, that is equals to dA over dt is equals to d over dr kasi wala pa tayong derivative ng radius niya times pi r squared times the derivative of dr in terms of time naman. Okay? So, by that, unahin natin, simplify natin siya. Yung r squared is just equals to pi to r. Okay? Times the derivative of the radius in terms of time. Okay? Balik natin yung dA over dt. Okay? So, yun na yung working equation natin. Then, i-input nyo na lang yung given. So, pi 2 times 10 cm yung radius times yung rate habang lumalaki yung radius is equals to 1 cm per second. Okay? So, yan. So, equal natin yan sa 20 pi cm squared per second. So, that is now your rate ng area. Okay, so another example, a ladder 10 feet long, lean on the wall, slides at 1.0 feet per second. Find the downward reaction of the ladder at a distance of 6 feet. Okay, so i-analyze muna natin siya. Kunyari, ito yung, saan ba ako mag-drawing? Ito yung wall. Okay, kunyari, wall yan. Okay, tapos ito naman yung kanyang ladder. So, ngayon, yung ladder na yan, nag-slide daw yan. So, habang bumababa yung ladder, nag-slide siya papunta dito. Saan pa ba siya mag-slide? So, dito sa right ng X. Okay? So, nag-slide siya dyan. Tapos, yung rate ng pag-slide niya is 1.0 feet per second. Ngayon, habang nag-slide yung ladder, syempre, bumababa ito. Okay? Yan yung tinatanong natin. Tapos, meron siyang binigay na given na kapag daw yung distance nitong ladder is about 6 feet. So, ang tinatanong is yung downward reaction ng ladder at a distance of 6 feet. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng equation. So, knowing that, di ba kapag yung ladder yung pinag-uusapan natin, naisip natin agad yung Pythagorean theorem, di ba? Okay, so Pythagorean. Gamitin natin to. So, by this one, pwede nating sabihin that x squared plus y squared is equals to c squared. Yung c squared, yung hypotenuse natin, pwede natin siyang gawin na yan yung 10 feet long na measurement ng ladder. So, x squared plus y squared is equals to 10. Okay? So, by this equation, pwede na natin siyang ma-differentiate. So, that is just equals to 2x dx in terms of time plus 2y dy over dt is equals to, yung derivative ng 10 is 0. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang i-equate since ang hinahanap natin is ito. Di ba ito y? So, dapat y muna yung nasa kabilang dulo natin. So, that would equals to 2y dy over dt is equals to negative 2x dx over dt. Okay? Multiply both side by 1 over 2y. Okay, para makancel natin ito. Okay, so that is dy over dt is equals to negative 2x over 2y dx over dt. Simply, pwede natin itong i-erase. Gawin na lang natin siyang x over y. Okay, so ito na yung ating equation. Okay, so yung working equation natin is equals to dy over dt is equals to negative x over y, then multiply by dx over dt. Okay, pero di ba mayroon binigay na situation yung problem na kapag daw yung ladder, yung distance niya is at 6 feet from the wall. So, illustrate natin siya. 6 feet. So, ito yun. Triangle na natin. Ito yung 10 feet, tas ito yung 6. Then, yung y, hanapin natin yung kanyang height. Okay, by Pythagorean theorem, that is just equals to y is equals to square root of 10 squared minus 6 squared. Okay, that is equals to 100 minus 36. Okay, square root of 64. Y is equals to 8. Okay, so pwede natin i-substitute dito. When x is 6, yung y niya is 8 dx over dt. Pero, di ba meron tayong rate? Habang nag-slide siya at that time, meron siya sliding motion. At that time, meron siyang sliding motion na 1.0. So, ilagay na natin siya dyan. Times 1. So, simplify natin. 6, 8 or just equals to negative 3, 4 feet per seconds. So, yan yung downward reaction nung y. No, habang bumababa yung ladder, so y is decreasing. At this rate, at this instant. Kasi pababa siya eh.